What up, YouTube? It's your boy Amy Me. Tonight I'm back again with another video for you guys. Basically, on today's video, I'm gonna be I guess showing y'all how an SRT swap bumper would look or how it would go. So right now my pieces finally came in, so what better time to show y'all the SRT pieces, the SRT front end, basically bumper swap. So I'm gonna show y'all everything that y'all need. I know mine might be a little more because I got hood pins installed and all that shit, so y'all make sure y'all stay tuned, and I'm gonna show y'all how to completely swap y'all whole front end, show y'all what y'all need, show y'all that, you know, it bolts straight up, you feel me? So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned, watch the whole video, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, and yeah, we're gonna get right into the video. So basically, starting off, one main thing that you will need is a 10 millimeter. I don't have these in right now because well, I do got one in. I got one in basically, but you are gonna need a 10 mil right here and a 10 mil on the other side. And I'm gonna pick the camera back up when I actually have that off, so I can show y'all more into it. So I got the bumper all off. So basically, like I said, you're gonna need one of those or a metal one, whatever you got, or a pack of these to pop the rivets out. 10 millimeter rivets on the side, I don't have no splash guard on the bottom because I knew I was doing this, so I didn't want to bolt everything up on the bottom. But basically, this is everything for the SRT front end basically that you'll need. Right now I got the vents. I'm about to go ahead and put the vents in, and then like I said, I'm gonna put the camera back up because I'm out here doing this by myself, so I don't have nobody to hold the camera or none of that. So, but shit still gotta be done. So yeah, I'm gonna put the camera back up in a few. All right, y'all, after fighting with this shit all day, finally got the whole front end done. So let's come back right here. The next thing I will be doing is this headlight. So I'm not gonna put the splash guard on yet because I want to order this headlight lens. As y'all can see, it's all cracked up, and it's all cracked up. So that's one of the next things that I want to order. I wanted to sand this down and paint it red, or potentially order another one, but as y'all can see, I am out of breath because that was a struggle fighting with this motherfucker. So, but as y'all can see, we got it on, we got it done, and that's all that matters. I'm out of breath after fighting with that motherfucker. So I'm gonna get this shit put back together, then probably go wash the car, and then yeah, I'm probably gonna wash this car, and yeah, like I said, I definitely gotta order that. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that ordered real soon, get that taken care of, so I can have both headlights, because I don't know if I want to tint them again. I might end up tinting my front headlights again. I don't know yet, we'll see. But I'm gonna pick the camera back up when the bumper is back on. And I must say, it do make the front end look, it completes it now. Like, now basically all that's left to do is slap a wrap on this thing. We're gonna take care of the headlight, like I said, take care of that, and we might get these wheels done. I don't know if I want to get some more wheels or just get these wheels done and then get them powder coated bronze. I really like these because they remind me of Trackhawk wheels. The only thing is, like I said, I can only run these in the summertime. Can't really run them in the wintertime, which, I'm not gonna be driving this car no more during the wintertime, even though it is all-wheel drive. I'm not gonna be driving it because I do have a take-home truck now for work. So this car will really just be sitting all wintertime, really. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, I might be taking these wheels to get them powder coated and redone, and then after I get that headlight ordered, I'm gonna order a few more trim pieces to complete this, and then I will be wrapping this car. I'm not gonna tell y'all what color yet. I already have the color that I want in mind, and it's really gonna set the tone. This is gonna be one of one Indiana, Illinois area. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment. I'm probably about to, I don't know what I'm about to do. Probably gonna wrap this video up. Not a very long video, I'm pretty sure, but real simple, straightforward install. 2023 SRT front end, front bumper. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment. If you got any questions, comment down below. Also, what else? Yeah, comment down below. I'll try to leave links, or I'm probably not gonna be able to leave links, so just make sure y'all comment. Hit me on Instagram. This is my Instagram right here. Hit me on Instagram, and I will gladly get back to y'all and help y'all with y'all front end swaps. This is a 11 through 14 model, or even if you got the newer ones, but you got the Chrysler 300C front end. But I'm gonna catch y'all on the next video, man. Peace.